Hello and welcome to Travel Closely informational videos on air travel. Today we will be discussing how to travel with your headphones on planes. Can we take headphones on a plane? According to the TSA and FAA, you can bring both wired and wireless Bluetooth headphones in both carry-on and checked bags. However, the FAA recommend that you always pack wireless headphones with lithium-ion batteries in a carry-on bags. When going through the security checkpoint, you will need to remove your headphones and place them in a separated bin along with other electronics larger than a cell phone, to undergo additional screening. Tip: always keep an eye on your headphone and any other electronics to avoid them getting lost or stolen. Can you use wireless Bluetooth headphones on planes? Yes, you can use your headphones during a flight without any issues. However, most airlines do not allow the use of Bluetooth headphones during takeoff and landing. Taking headphones in checked luggage. You can bring both wired and Bluetooth headphones in checked luggage without any issues. Just ensure that they are protected by using a protective case to avoid damage during transit. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and tricks.